Hi YouTube family, it's me, Debbie, with Wildberry Cottage Homestead. As you may know, some of us in our family have food allergies, and because of that it makes cooking on a daily basis that much more challenging. So today we thought we would share with you our recipe for cornbread muffins. These muffins, of course, do not include eggs. So if you're looking for a recipe for cornbread and you can't use eggs, you've come to the right place. So stick around, I think you're going to like this. It's always important never to assume anything when it comes to ingredients. Always read the packaging. First, we're going to start off with 2 cups of cornmeal. We use White Lily ourselves, but you can use whichever is your favorite. Next, add 2 cups of buttermilk. If you don't like buttermilk, you can use whole milk, but I would skip adding the optional water near the end if I did that. Now this is what we have exchanged instead of egg. Greek yogurt. It does the exact same thing as the egg, which is bond the ingredients together. Now you want to add 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Drizzle some olive oil in the mixture and stir. If you like lighter muffins, I suggest adding 1/2 cup of water to this recipe. We prefer ours a little more dense, so we will go without this step today. You're going to want to preheat your oven to 425 before you put your pan in. Make sure you spray your pan liberally to prevent sticking. We use Pam oven spray for ours. once your oven is preheated to 425, you're going to stick your muffin pan in and set your timer for 25 minutes. You're going to cook this until you can stick a toothpick in and it comes out clean. Thank you for watching, and please share our video with others. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for notifications. Got a recipe you would like to see done, minus a certain ingredient? Leave us a comment below. As always, may your days be peaceful and your lives be blessed.